Welcome back to the 30-Day Meditation Challenge. My name is Olivia, and I'm honored to guide you today. Today, we focus on finding strength in stillness, a deep inner stability that is always present within you. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position. Sit tall but relaxed. Rest your hands gently on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes if that feels right. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel your body settling. Notice the support beneath you, the stillness around you. Now, shift your awareness inward. Beneath the surface of thoughts and distractions, there is a quiet strength. Like a mountain standing firm, your inner strength is always present, steady, unshaken. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. Now, let's introduce a simple breath pattern. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds. Let's repeat this together. Inhale for 4. Hold for 4. Exhale for 6. With each breath, feel your inner foundation growing stronger. A deep, quiet confidence within you. Now, gently return to your natural breath. Notice how you feel. Stillness is not emptiness, it is power, a presence unshaken by the world around you. Slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Feel the air on your skin, the steady rhythm of your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, softly open your eyes. Take a final deep breath in and exhale completely. Carry this inner strength with you today. Thank you for this moment. See you tomorrow for day 13.